Hi guys, so it's another Sunday, so meal prep Sunday it is, and this week I'm doing an old classic for me. It is just chili con carne, and here are the ingredients. So I'm going to be doing 3 red onions, large, a celery stick stalk, 2 packets of cut white mushrooms, 2 tins of red kidney beans, and I'm just going to chuck in, just because I want some more beans, some more fibre and more filling, some chickpeas as well, bit random, 2 tins of tomatoes, and 400 grams of 5% lean beef, 5% fat that is, so it's extra lean. Brown basmati rice, going to use 50 grams of that. I'll add some Tabasco, I'll add some lean pairings, some chili powder, and a stock cube. And that will be the meal. So here we have the breakdown of what each meal will look like. 544 calories, 77 grams of carbohydrate, 9 grams of fat, 37 grams of protein, with 17 grams of fiber. Yummy! So when I do my chili, I like to cook down the onion and the celery a bit before putting in the mushrooms I have there, because mushrooms cook a lot quicker. So my rice is almost done there, and in here you can see I've got all my beans and my chickpeas, and then my celery and my onions, and then the tomatoes, and I've added the chili powder, the Tabasco, and the lean pairings. So I'll leave that probably for about 10-20 minutes, let that cook down, and then I'll finish it off, put the mushrooms in, cook those probably for another 5-10 minutes. They cook pretty quick, and then just dish it all out, and that's done. Chili. And here we have the finished product. 5 meals, chili con carne with basmati brown rice, finished.